Hey guys, it's Sean from Glady Fort Customs. I'm going to take a break from doing mechanicking a little bit and do some aftermarket LED install. The LEDs I'm going to be installing are from Diesel LEDs. This is their reverse light offering. It's pretty hot. I'll let you guys be the judge, but I'm pretty excited to get these installed. I'm installing them in a 2014 Ford F-250. I'll do a before and after look at the stock versus the LEDs. I also do a little bit of an installation tutorial. It's relatively simple, but I'll go ahead and do it. All right, so here is what you'll get in the box when you order a set of reverse lights. You'll get adapters if they're required. My particular truck has a 921 bulb. So you'll get an adapter for whichever vehicle you have. Here's the box. All right, on the box, 4 times brighter than your stock reverse lights, 3-year warranty, and it's a plug and play. And I can almost guarantee they will be. Let's open this box and see what we got in here. Oh, here we go. These are the actual lights. Looks like they're nice quality. Have gaskets on the terminals. They also screw on and lock on, so they won't ever come off. Let's get these taillight lenses out and let's get these popped in. We'll do a comparison. All right, to get the taillight lenses out of this particular truck, it's these 2 screws right here. I've already got them loose. The taillight lens pops right out of there. All right, so this is your brake light. This is the reverse light. Set this to the side for now. If you look here, standard bulb. We don't need that where we're going. Open your adapter pack. Inside the adapter pack, you're going to have bushings, O-rings. They even give you some dielectric grease to put on your connections. That way moisture won't mess up your LEDs. All right, so we're going to take a little bit of that dielectric grease, put it in this connection. Then we're going to plug the adapter into your existing plug. Good tight fit. It's not going to come out of there. Now, in this connection, you're going to plug up the actual LED. And there's 2 prongs, male and female. Can't really mess it up. There's also a locating notch. It's hard for me to show you on camera, but there is one. Plug that in. Take the nut and secure those together. Now don't get your pliers out and twist on them like your Hercules. Just a little bit. Finger tight. All right, now that you've got everything plugged in, I went ahead and got mine fully assembled, but it's too hard to film. You need a little bit better view. So these come with collars as well as screws. So what that's for is all of these holes that you see right here are threaded. So what you need to do is you need to look at the existing plug and see how many notches, or you can look at the hole and see how many notches are built into your factory components. Then you need to install these screws in the proper locations. There is a installation guide right here that you get inside the box. So just make sure that you don't tighten these screws too tight. This is aluminum. You don't want to strip them out. So with that being said, you have to also choose which grommet makes this a tight fit. So in the kit they send thins, thicks. This is the factory one that I pulled out. So once you get them in there, once you set your screws right, put them in and you install it just like a normal bulb. It just twists and locks in. So now that we've got that in, let's put the brake light back in and we'll install the tail light housing. I'll pull the truck out. All right guys, we're back. I just finished up both sides, and let me tell you, these reverse lights are something to write home about. The claim that they're 4 times as bright on the box, I don't believe that's a gimmick. I actually believe that they're that bright. I'm impressed. I usually don't do this type of thing, but if you want to get you a set for your vehicle, just go on the website, enter your information, and they'll be able to hook you up with a set of not only reverse lights, they offer headlights, fog lights, interior lights, whatever you need. But click my link below this video or on any of my social medias, and that helps me try to move forward. So if you would, like and share this video with all your friends if you want some really high-end reverse lights. All right, let's cut the video and I'll show you before and after. I don't know about you guys, but it's dark inside the shop here. Only thing on right now is the reverse lights, and I about can't stand to look at them. I'm not kidding when I tell you they're that bright. I am super hyped about these lights. So let me flip you around right here, and I'll show you just how bright these are. Shoo-wee. Those are bright. Yeah, it's completely dark up here. Let me get you a good look behind me. See that? Look at that. All right, guys, dieselleds.com. Make sure you hit the link below these videos. Helps me out, helps them out. Get yourself some good lights.